Scene script. Hello friends, I am Nabin and today we will embark on an incredible journey. A journey that begins at the very start of everything, the Big Bang. Our tale commences nearly 14 billion years ago with an event of such colossal magnitude and energy that it literally sparked the creation of everything we know today. This, dear friends, was the Big Bang. Imagine a point so tiny yet so dense that it contained the potential for all matter, all energy, all existence. And then in a flash of light and heat, it expanded. In those initial moments, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles, too scorching and chaotic for atoms to form. But as the universe expanded, it cooled, and the first atoms began to take shape. Hydrogen and helium, the simplest of elements, were the building blocks of the cosmos. As the universe continued to expand and cool, these atoms started to clump together under the force of gravity, forming vast clouds of gas. These clouds would become the nurseries for the first stars to ignite, their brilliant light piercing the darkness of the early universe. Each star, a beacon of warmth and light, yet also a crucible for creating heavier elements. Over time, the universe continued to evolve, becoming more structured. The stars clustered together, drawn by their mutual gravity, forming galaxies. These galaxies, each a swirling mass of stars, dust, and gas, are the cosmic cities of the universe. Among them, our own Milky Way. So, from a point of infinite density, the universe was born. It expanded and cooled, creating the conditions for matter to form and eventually the first stars to ignite. These stars clustered together into galaxies, creating the structured universe we see today. Thus, from a single point of infinite density, a vast, diverse universe was born. Our journey now takes us to the birth of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. The story of the Milky Way begins approximately 13 billion years ago, in the early epochs of the universe. It was a time when the cosmos was a vast dark expanse, punctuated only by the faint glow of primordial gases and particles. Then something extraordinary happened. The invisible hand of gravity started to weave its magic. These particles, scattered across the universe, began to clump together, forming the first stars. These early stars were the seeds from which galaxies would grow. Our Milky Way was one such galaxy. Over billions of years, it grew in size and complexity, forming a spinning disk of stars, gas, and dust. In this swirling dance of matter, new stars were born and old stars died, their remnants seeding the galaxy with the ingredients necessary for the creation of planets and other celestial bodies. And at the heart of our galaxy, something even more remarkable was taking shape. A supermassive black hole, millions of times the mass of our sun, formed. This black hole, even today, anchors the Milky Way, its immense gravity holding the galaxy together. But what about our sun, you might wonder? Well, our sun is one of the billions of stars that call the Milky Way home. It was born around 4.5 billion years ago. In the vast furnace of its core, hydrogen fused into helium, releasing energy and light. In the swirling disk of gas and dust around this young star, planets began to form. One of these planets was our Earth. But that's a story for another time. And so, within this vast cosmic sea, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, was born. This beautiful spiral of stars, gas, and dust is a testament to the incredible power and complexity of the universe. It is our cosmic cradle, the birthplace of our solar system, our planet, and indeed of us all. And so, within this vast cosmic sea, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, was born. Next, let's venture into our very own neighborhood in the universe, the solar system. Our solar system, a cosmic spectacle of planets, moons, asteroids, and a star we call the Sun, didn't just appear out of thin air. It was born from a vast spinning cloud of gas and dust around 4.5 billion years ago. So, how did this happen? Picture a nebula, a giant swirling cloud of gas and dust in space. Over time, gravity, that invisible force that keeps our feet on the ground, starts to pull everything in this nebula together. As the particles of gas and dust collide and stick together, they form clumps. These clumps grow larger and larger, eventually forming what we call planetesimals. Now, these planetesimals are the building blocks of planets. They continue to collide and merge, growing in size in a process known as accretion. The largest of these growing bodies begin to dominate, attracting more and more matter with their increased gravitational pull. Meanwhile, at the heart of this swirling chaos, the densest part of the nebula is also collapsing under its own gravity. The pressure and temperature at the core rise dramatically, igniting nuclear fusion, and voila, our sun is born. As the sun starts to shine, it blows away most of the gas and dust from the surrounding space with its solar winds, leaving behind the rocky and metallic material. This material continues to collide and merge, eventually forming the planets, including our home, the Earth. The leftover dust and gas form a disk around the sun known as the protoplanetary disk. Over millions of years, the planets settle into their orbits around the sun, forming the solar system as we know it. In this way, our solar system, with its sun and orbiting planets, was born. A testament to the power of gravity, the persistence of time, and the beauty of cosmic evolution. The stage was now set for the birth of our planet, Earth. Now, let's focus on the birth of our home planet, Earth. This tale begins around 4.5 billion years ago, in the early chapter of our solar system's history. Earth, in its initial stage, was far from the hospitable place we know today. It was a fiery, molten mass swirling in the cosmic dance of creation. In this volatile period, Earth was subjected to intense heat and pressure, a result of constant collisions with other celestial bodies. These collisions caused the young planet to heat up, creating a molten core in the heart of Earth. This was the first significant step in Earth's formation. As the eons passed, the outer layer of the Earth began to cool down, solidifying to form the Earth's crust. This crust was not one solid piece, but rather a jigsaw puzzle of tectonic plates constantly shifting and colliding. This dynamic process led to the formation of our planet's diverse landscapes, from towering mountains to deep ocean trenches. But what about the oceans and our atmosphere, you may wonder? Well, these too have an intriguing origin story. The theory suggests that as the Earth cooled, water vapor, along with other gases, was released from the interior of the planet. This process, known as outgassing, contributed to the formation of our atmosphere. Over time, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain. This rain gradually filled the basins formed by the shifting tectonic plates, giving birth to our oceans. The first seeds of life, it's believed, sprouted in these primeval waters. The final touch in Earth's creation story was the development of our protective ozone layer. This layer, high up in the atmosphere, shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, making life as we know it possible on Earth. And so our beautiful blue planet, Earth, was born. The result of billions of years of cosmic ballet, a testament to the power and beauty of nature, and the only place we know of in this vast universe that we can call home. So friends, we have traveled from the Big Bang to the birth of our home planet, Earth. What a journey it's been, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible cosmic tale we've just experienced. We started our journey at the very beginning, the Big Bang, a moment of singularity. A point in time when all the matter and energy of the universe was condensed into a tiny space. Then in an instant, this erupted in a huge explosion, giving birth to the universe we know today. The universe started to expand and cool, leading to the formation of the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. Our next stop was right at home, the birth of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Born from a colossal cloud of gas and dust, our galaxy took shape over billions of years, spinning and swirling into the majestic spiral we recognize today. Nestled within this spiral is our own little corner of the cosmos, the solar system. We then focused on the formation of our solar system, born from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. The sun ignited first, its gravity pulling in the surrounding material to form the planets, asteroids, and comets. Among these celestial bodies, our home, Earth, took shape. Finally, we arrived at our last destination, the birth of planet Earth. From a hot, molten mass to a life-supporting planet, Earth's evolution is a testament to the miraculous nature of the universe. Through a series of cosmic accidents and perfect conditions, Earth became a unique haven for life as we know it. I am Nabin, and this was the incredible journey of our universe, our galaxy, our solar system, and our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of our universe.